Days Out Worldwide. Today we are off to the Holy Island, also known as Lindisfarne, is that how you say it?
Possibly, yeah, we'll find out.
Lindisfarne?
Lindisfarne, yeah.
So, to get there you have to go across the causeway and you have to do it through like the tidal times. And today it was from 12 o'clock until 7:30 in the evening. But every day is different, obviously because of the tides. So we're going to take you out on a little trip across the causeway.
So Lindisfarne, London. Let us know what it is in the comments. I believe that was the first landing of the Vikings invasion. So when the Vikings first came over to England, this is the first place they landed.
Yeah, I think you'll be right, yeah.
So we'll find that out, we'll double check that fact.
On the 8th of June 793 Lindisfarne suffered a devastating raid by Viking pirates, their first significant attack in Western Europe. The raid caused horror across the continent. English Heritage website.
So this is the causeway, and during high tides there was no raid. So as Lisa said, you have to come out between tide times. I think we've got until, was it 5, half 5?
Half 7.
Oh, was it half 7?
Yeah, we've got till 7:30. If you go onto the website, like if you just look up Lindisfarne, the actual Lindisfarne Island website, it tells you all the tide times.
And as you can see from the left of us, it's full of seaweed.
Nature. Do not proceed when water reaches causeway. If any of you have been watching The Last Kingdom or Vikings on Amazon Prime
as well, Netflix.
Yeah, so Netflix is Last Kingdom and then Vikings is Amazon Prime. It mentions Bamburgh Castle and Lindisfarne, like quite a bit in it, especially at the beginning.
And if you do like Last Kingdom, check out our previous vlog, or we're going to put the two vlogs together.
Probably put the two together, yeah.
If that's the case, you've already seen our visit to Bamburgh Castle, checking out the Last Kingdom props and costumes. If we are splitting up, check out the previous vlog.
Welcome to Holy Island. So we are officially on the island. Oh my god, that is literally my dream helicopter I've always wanted to get. Oh look, that's doing over a...
We'll get some pictures in a minute.
Okay, so we're all packed up. Paid, I think, £7 I think for 5 hours, which isn't too bad. It could be worse. Yeah, so we're all now just walking into like, what do you call it, like the village centre?
Yeah, I think it's the old Priory we're going to.
Yeah, so we're heading to the old Priory. It's not actually not that cold today, is it?
No, I think I've overdressed.
Yeah, I think I might have overdressed, but never mind.
Do you want to show them what you've got on underneath, Luce?
Oh no, they don't want to see that.
Oh, they do. We've actually bought some wellies.
Oh yeah.
And there we are.
Because you never know.
I don't think I've ever worn wellies in my life, but...
Oh, cute. So we have already seen the HM Coast Guard, the helicopter that was just in the field, which we'll show you. We're at St Cuthbert's Way, St Oswald's Way.
So where are we, Luce?
So we are here.
Yeah.
No, Bamburgh Castle, where we were the other day, it's just here. And where have we been staying? I'll say we've been staying literally right between Berwick-upon-Tweed and the Holy Islands. So we're here.
Yeah, Hagstone Castle, which we've not really filmed. Oh, the museum's just to the right.
Yes, it is. Should we go to the Priory first, then the museum?
Go.
Stay with you. Oh wow. I love a Roman, me. The Parish Church of St Mary the Virgin. King Oswald of Northumbria sought to spread the Christian faith in his kingdom. In the year 635 he granted the island of Lindisfarne to Aidan, a monk who was consecrated bishop of the renowned monastery on the island of Iona off the coast of Scotland. Blimey, that's a big grave, isn't it? So that is the original Lindisfarne Priory. Just ruins left. Okay, so just went to go into the ruins of the Priory at Lindisfarne. But you need a ticket. I couldn't find anything last night. I was awake till 9 o'clock this morning and couldn't find anything having to buy a ticket. So for an adult it's £10, or it's £11 if you want to give a £1 donation. A bit scandalous. If you're a concession it's £9.50. I couldn't get the rest of them, to be fair. You can pay by card, and the ticket gets you into the Priory and also a little museum, which is where you buy tickets. So one to note, you need a ticket to go in. But if you come in this far, you've got to do it, haven't you? Okay, so we're now in the remains of Lindisfarne Priory. This is what it used to look like.
Yes, we have. There you go.
This used to be like a little well or something, isn't it? This was took over by Henry VIII when he wanted to get rid of all the churches that he didn't like. And these, unfortunately there's no information about these, but these look like graves with a Dalmatian cuddly toy. But yeah, no information about those. So this is what it would look like. I didn't realise the Priory was this big.
That's what she said.
Hey. So I made it at the top of the hill, what do I call it, a hill. There's like a viewing platform as well. So this is the Priory from the top. Now I came up a big hill, very rocky, and I just realised it's actually a safer way to go. Chris is just down there. Not too sure if he's taking a picture of me, but I can definitely see him. Then you've got the castle in the background over there, which we're heading to. So over there in the distance is Bamburgh Castle. We'll pop a few photos in here now. And we have come an absolutely beautiful day. A couple of boats. So that's the viewing platform just there. And also the cross is a war memorial.
some parts of London are like so grim, like awful places. And I'm like, oh,
Awful. See's a lot calmer than it was yesterday. But I've had to put my hat back on because I'm getting cold. So again, just in the background there's the Priory. So it's £10 for an adult to get in. Would I recommend it? I don't know, we haven't been to the museum yet. I'll let you know after I've been to the museum. But it's a lovely little island. So now we just have to go and see Chris. Let's go and try and find him. Okay, so we're in the museum now. Found Chris. I've got a lot to say about the museum, to be fair.
These are 7 Vikings,
Okay.
which 6 of them was armed with axes and swords,
Yeah.
and this was them making their way to Lindisfarne. Where are we?
Lindisfarne.
Yeah, and on the other side of the stone, these are the 2 monks who were praying. The sun on the left, the moon on the right,
Yeah.
and then you've got 2 hands coming on the sides.
So here we are at the lifeboat station.
And there's the boat.
There's the boat. I take it it's not a use anymore.
I don't think so. I'm sat here, like so.
Yeah.
Lucy could be sat here, like so. Somebody else would keep you on me, like so. And so.
Oh, there you go. Like so.
And that would have been the brave man who went out. Because you see, he's a bit rough here, so these must have been really brave to go out and
It is rough.
save somebody's life who's in distress.
The final rescues. So this is our view right now. We're just having a slow walk towards the castle.
We'll drop the name of the castle below now, shall we?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, now.
So there you go, that's what that's called.
That's what it's called. I didn't believe it, to be honest.
It's a nice walk.
Get some great scenery, haven't you?
Yeah.
And there's a lot of history to take in as well if you want to go to the museum. Well, the museum wasn't really.
Yeah, I wouldn't rate it.
It had some interesting artefacts in there, but there wasn't much. It was just like at the back of the shop.
Yeah.
But yeah, the church was good. Well, the Priory
The
and
Priory was good, yeah.
Yeah.
Would you spend £10
£10.
for the both, for the museum and the Priory?
I would have thought the museum should have been free, to be honest.
Yeah, definitely.
Maybe £5 for kids, £7.50 for an adult to the Priory. I don't think
Yeah.
it's £10, to be honest.
I don't think I'd even go £7.50 for an adult.
Do you know?
No.
It was bigger than we thought, but
I wouldn't pay £10.
no.
Definitely not. I mean, a lot of the pictures from inside the Priory you can get probably from outside the Priory, can't you?
Yeah, and the stuff it was actually telling you about, it, you know, it's like very little, wasn't it? So
Yeah.
we looked at some parts and thought, what is this? Is it a cellar or is it a pigsty or something? We just didn't know what we was looking at.
Every now and then there'd be a sign though, wouldn't there? Say,
The
parlour.
pantry. Oh, the parlour. Well, that was it. There's no pictures of what the parlour or the pantry would have looked like.
Yeah.
Or, you know, did they make the biggest pork pie there? Who knows? You know, there's, yeah. Apart from that, the views were good.
Yeah, it was good.
But yeah, I wouldn't pay £10 to go in there.
No, if you can avoid not paying the £10 to get in and just take in the views, don't forget it's quite a bit to park as well.
It costs about £10 to park, so
Yeah,
I think,
we'll put the charges in here as well.
I think your parking ticket, because they know that's where you're going to go, because there's nothing really much more to do. I think that should have included the price of your entry to the Priory.
Yeah, no, that's not a bad idea to be fair.
Because the car park, it was a field really, wasn't it? Did we even show you the car park?
No, we're going to do it on the way back.
You know, we didn't even pay that much the other days when we went to Bamber.
That was £4?
£4 for all day. And we got, what, almost 10 quid for 5 hours? So.
Yeah. And then Birken, is it Birken upon Swede?
Berwick.
Berwick upon Swede, that was free.
It was free all day. You could stay 24 hours for free, and then you'd have to leave for 4 hours, and then you could return again for free. Which is a great incentive, because it brings people to the town. And
Yeah. It was quite run down when at the town.
I'm sure it's a lovely place.
Yeah.
Well, it was a little bit gloomy the other day, and but it made some good shots.
Yeah.
But if we had to pay for parking, and it may have put us off.
Yeah, definitely.
But we could enjoy our time there because it was free. So yeah, it's a great incentive to bring people in. But that's my little view anyway. Yeah, definitely the parking should be included in the ticket to the Priory here.
Yeah, without doubt.
Yeah.
Without doubt. Right, well, we're going to take some more views for you. So you can take it all in.
Brace yourself.